Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two mold and mildew cleaners. So here I've got the Sugelary and this is the APULITO. So this one comes with a disposable glove. Now they both have a cap. You're going to take the cap off of both of them, and then they're going to put this dispensing cap on. There's also a seal underneath here you got to cut off. Then they got this application. So this is how this one is, and it's got a cap you can screw back on. And let's take a look at this applicator. It's a little bit, maybe the same opening, just a little bit smaller. Okay, so here I'm at my washing machine. I got some mold kind of in here growing, kind of up on this seal a little bit. I'm going to first try this one on this side. Now you notice it comes out like a gel and it kind of stays there. I'm going to take like a towel or something and kind of wipe it up and down on there so it can sit there for a little bit, and then I'm going to wipe it back off later. Okay, so I'm at my washing machine on this one. Let's go over here on this side. I've got some kind of mold and mildew kind of starting to grow back in here. I'm going to smear it on. It's like a gel. Again, don't get this on your hands. See how it comes out like a gel. Now I'm going to smear that around with like a paper towel. Okay, so I thought both of them did a good job of cleaning the seal. Here's how this one did also. Yeah, they just did a real good job. I hope this video helps.